Hello everyone, I am Bill the Drunken Sailor and you are at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. This is the place we make fun, easy, delicious cocktails. No worries, no worries. That'd be a great name for a cocktail. Let's put it in Swahili. Today's cocktail, Hakuna Matata. Let's get pouring. As I said, we've just got a few simple ingredients to this. We've got some coconut rum. We've got some creme de cacao. We've got some spiced rum. We're going to top it off with a little bit of pineapple juice and some grenadine to make colors. Don't worry, stick around to the end of the video. We're going to have a cocktail card with all the ingredients and their quantities. For those of you who have been here before, we're glad to see you again. Welcome back. If this is your first time here at the channel, this is a place where there are no worries. We make easy cocktails. We show you how to do it. And we hope what you're going to do is hit that subscribe button. Leave us a like, leave us a comment. If there's a cocktail that you want to see us make, let us know. We'd be more than happy to do it for you. Anyway, let's get this drink going. And our first ingredient in here is coconut rum. We're using Cruzan this time, and we're going to use 1 ounce. Next step in there is creme de cacao. We're going to put a little bit of chocolate flavor in there because you never have to worry when you're having chocolate. 1 ounce. We're using Mr. Boston's creme de cacao, and we're using the white. Our third liquor in there is going to be some spiced rum. And today we're using Kraken, and it's a golden spiced rum, 1 ounce. That's all the liquor that's going in this drink. That should be enough. Our next ingredient in there is some pineapple juice. And we're going to use about 3 ounces in there. Now I want to ice this up and shake it down. Let's get this cold. Nice and cold. We're going to use an old-fashioned glass, and I'm going to start by putting some ice in there. What I'm going to put in there first is some grenadine, and we're going to put about 1 ounce in there. And this is our homemade grenadine. If you want to know how to make it, leave us a comment. Let us know. We could do a video and show you how to make your grenadine. Now that we've got our grenadine in there, what I want to do is just take and pour the rest of the cocktail on top of it. We want to pour it nice and slow. We want to try and get a little bit of a mix in there, but we want a layered effect. So we're going to take our bar spoon and pour that slowly over the back of the bar spoon. Oh, perfect. We've got coconut, we've got pineapple, we've got spiced rum. We need to decorate this glass, so what we're going to do is we're going to put an orange in there. Take our orange slice, throw that in there. Want a little bit more color in there, so let's throw a cherry in there, and there you have today's cocktail, Hakuna Matata. Let's give it a taste. Really nice, strong coconut flavor in there. You've got the spices coming in from the rum. You got the sweetness of the pineapple juice. This is an amazing collection of flavors. Enjoy it, folks. Cheers.